Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about insert SUMIF formula. Let's get started. I will create two range names, one is car_model for range B6 to B29. Then another range name is sales_revenue for range G6 to G29. Remember, both range names must start and end on the same row. Click on a cell for the formula. Click on the Formulas tab. Then click on Math and Trig. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on SUMIF. The function arguments pop-up window will appear. Type car_model in the range box. Then type the criteria that defines which item for sum up. For this scenario, I will type K6. And that is cell K6. Type sales_revenue in the sum range box. Then click OK. Now, the formula in cell L6 will pick the values from range G6 to G29 and will only sum up the values if it relates to car model specified in cell K6. Click and drag the formula in cell L6 to the cells L7 and 8. And that will sum up the sales revenue by car model. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.